the long awaited, the DJI Osmo Nano is out. It has still not been released worldwide since we are here in Hong Kong since last 24 hours. This was the only place in world where you can actually get it immediately after the launch, because it takes almost close to a week or a few weeks to get it in Dubai. As per them, it's going to take at least next month to get it in stock. So probably people would be using the DJI Osmo Action since many years. I've been using the Osmo Action as well for many of the POV vlogs, drive videos, a lot of stuff. But maybe DJI took a lot of time to refresh the same DJI Osmo Action, but finally they're out with DJI Osmo Nano. I was actually expecting this one to have at least the 1-inch sensor what we have in the DJI Pocket 3, but sadly DJI has not given us a 1-inch sensor. This doesn't come with a 1-inch sensor what Pocket has. Only difference between the Pocket and this one is going to be Pocket is not very portable. If you're looking for very portable shots where you need the run and gun shots or underwater shots, of course you cannot use them, but it has the best sensor. Like any of those DJI cameras, Pocket 3 has the best sensor, hands down, hands down. But yes, if you're looking for some POV shots, of course you cannot use the Pocket 3. This is the only option. So just go ahead and unbox it. Now they are having two options for the Osmo Nano. One is the 64GB inbuilt and the other one is the 128GB inbuilt. There is no other models this time. They have only one single model. This is the one what they have, and it's coming with all of those stuff like those 2 or 3 mounts and of course the inbuilt storage, no extra memory cards, lanyard, sticky mount, suction mount, and probably one battery. So that's pretty much it, but we'll just unbox it and see. I don't think so they have any extra batteries, because you can of course charge it with the USB-C. It takes less than 20 or 30 minutes to charge it full. So we'll just unbox and let's see what do they have inside the box. And here in Hong Kong, I think it was close to, for the 64GB, it was 2,500 Hong Kong dollars, and for the 128GB, it was somewhere around 2,900. So let's say 2,500, probably 35,000 Indian rupees for the 64GB, and for the 128GB, somewhere around 45,000. So earlier when they had the Osmo Action, it was very cheap. It was somewhere around 25,000 or something like that. But this time they have just made the price double, but nothing has been changed in terms of sensor. Sensor is just 1 into 1.13 inch, not a very big sensor. Of course, you cannot use it in the low light conditions like the Pocket 3 you can, but yeah, of course not. We'll just open it. So this is the main camera unit and this is the extra vision unit. Apart from this, what you get inside the box is what the DJI stickers and one extra sticker. So one extra sticker, DJI sticker, DJI warranty card, and we see the mounts. Let me just check, what do they have? So menu, start guide, and this is the, I believe it's the charging hub, maybe. Just open and check. Okay, this is the cap mount. So this cap mount is actually neat. So you can actually use it for the car POV shots, and like you can put it something like this, or maybe you can put it something like this as well. But of course you need a cap which has the straight surface, not like a curved one. And this one, I think this is the case what you can actually put the camera. You can just put it using this case, and of course it's also compatible underwater, and you can take it inside the water, but you cannot take the vision model. Of course it's not waterproof, so you cannot take this under the water. But if you're looking to take underwater, you can only take the main camera units. Apart from this, you are getting the suction mount. Of course, suction mount, probably I should have actually got one extra one, because I'm pretty sure this is going to get dirty after using a few times. Probably have to go and get one extra suction mount, because something you need to put one permanently inside the car, and maybe one you can just use it anywhere else. But one absolutely you need if you're driving and making the videos inside the car. One permanent suction mount is highly recommended to keep it inside the car. One sticker is very nice, this one. We'll put it in the baggage tag or something like that. One USB-C port and the main lanyard. Of course, this lanyard the same what we were getting in the Osmo Action, something like this, and you can just put it inside and you can just put the camera at the front, and it sticks. Best thing is it has got magnets on all the 4 sides. So let's say if you're like say this is the lanyard, so you can put it something like this. You can no, this side they don't have the magnet, this side they don't have the magnet, but this side you can of course use it. Something like this can be used like this it can be used, like this it can be used. So basically this side they have the magnet, and the I mean this and this, both sides, like this side can be placed and this side can be placed, but not in this side, not at that side, and not of course on the front side. So three sides they don't have the magnets, but both the sides, main two sides, what you can actually be using for like vertical or like horizontal shots, more than enough. I don't think so anyone needs anything more than this. And the vision module, of course, it doesn't have the magnet, but it has the mounting, DJI mounting option. So you can just connect it with any of those DJI mounts. So let's say this is the vision module. You can put the camera something like this. We will just remove this. Done. Okay. So like this, it can be put something like this, and also you can put it something like this, like both sides it's compatible, of course. So even if you have to see the screen, because this doesn't, like the Osmo Action used to have one screen at the front, so you can actually just see and shoot, but in this one you don't get any screen, so you anyways have to use the vision module. But if you don't want to see, you can just use it something like, if you need vertical shots, you can just shoot like this, but if you're looking for a horizontal shot, you can just shoot it like this. But if you want to see yourself when you're shooting, then of course you need to put it with the vision module and shoot. And if you want to see it from the back, you can just move it something like this, see at the back and shoot as well. So pretty much versatile. Only thing is we are missing is the inbuilt screen. Like the Osmo Action had the inbuilt screen, but the Nano doesn't have any inbuilt screen. So if you really want to see yourself while shooting, you anyways have to use the vision module. Without the vision module, of course, you cannot see yourself. That is the only difference. So probably I will shoot some footages tomorrow in the morning, and I will show you exactly how the quality is. Of course, it's not a very big change. It's going to be almost the same as what we had in the Osmo Action or the Osmo Action 5, Osmo Action 4, Osmo Action 3. Almost all of them have the similar kind of small sensor. Only best thing about this one is it now shoots 10-bit. So all the previous cameras were shooting 8-bit, but this one is shooting 10-bit. So if it's shooting 10-bit and D-Log, probably we'll have some space to actually make some edits whenever we are doing the editing, but pretty much it's not going to make a very big difference. Like Pocket 3 is getting the 1-inch sensor, so at least you get a ton of light coming in the camera. A lot of light comes in, so of course you need for this one, yeah, you just have to live with it. If you really need just POV shots, good to go. If you're looking for some very nice shots, clean HDR shots, then you should be better off going for a Pocket 3. So once I take some footage tomorrow, maybe I will show you. And if you're not following Instagram, follow over there. I'll be uploading some of through the stories tomorrow.